Got this fume extractor to take a look at. Let's open it up. This is how it shows up in the box. And this way, if you're soldering, then you can have this go in, and it's going to pull the solder towards this fan, the extractor fume, and run it through a bit of a filter, as you can see here in this photo. They do make a bunch of different holders and other devices for soldering. A couple of extra filters, it looks like, right away. Pick it up out of here. There's a handle. It's nice and heavy. It's a decent fan. We have a cord. It's probably about 4 feet long with a 3-prong outlet. The switch is here on the outlet. We'll go ahead and plug it in. And the switch is closer to it's about midway, I guess, between the plug and the fan. Oh yeah, that's definitely pulling a lot of air. Use this piece of paper here. Definitely pulling some volume of air through there. Blows it straight out the back, and this way you have a thing, these foam filters, to catch it. Hope this helps.